the number of forward paths and the number of individual loops. You kindly see the given diagram. Given is a signal flow graph. Given is a signal flow graph. Okay, this I am striking off. Given is a signal flow graph. This is second problem. This is second problem. Okay, find the number of forward paths. Find number of forward paths. Number of forward paths, comma, number of individual loops. Number of individual loops. You can just see the given question. You can just see the given question and how many forward paths are there. Coming to the solution, you can draw it. If you are confused, you can draw it and then make the product of gains. So branch, nothing is written means gain is 1. Okay, input is x, output is y. Here nothing is written means I will take gain is 1. So this is G2, G1. Okay, this is first forward path, FP1, FP1. Okay, so P1, product of gains means 1 into G2 into G1 into 1. So G1, G2 is the first forward path. G1, G2 is the first forward path. Only one forward path is possible. Okay, number of forward paths 1 in number. Number of forward paths equal to 1. Okay, now coming to step 2. Step 2, I have completed forward paths in step 1, number of forward paths in step 1. Now I am going to number of individual loops. Number of individual loops from the given diagram. From the given diagram. So if I take G1, then minus H1. Okay, G1 minus H1. This is loop 1. Loop 1. So product of gains means L1 equal to minus G1 H1 I will write. Minus G1 H1. Okay. And I have one more loop also here. One more loop. I can travel with G2, then G1, then coming back like this with the minus 1. Okay. This is G2, G1, minus 1. This is second loop. Okay. Loop 2. Loop 2 diagram I have written. Now I will also write L2, which is G2, G1 into minus 1, which is minus G1, G2, minus G1, G2. Okay, this is second loop. So no more individual loops are present in the given question. No more individual loops are present in the given question. So number of individual loops are 2 in number. Number of individual loops are 2 in number. If they ask you question, how many non-touching, 2 non-touching loops are there? Nil, 0. 3 non-touching loops, 0. Because we are having only 2 individual loops, okay, we can find only 2 non-touching. 3 non-touching, how it is possible? Individual loops itself is not available. 3 individual loops itself not available. So we cannot go for 3 non-touching loops, okay. These are the possible questions for online exam. Possible questions. How many forward paths are there? We will not ask any background calculation. We are only bothered with the final answer. It may be MCQ, it may be one word answer, it may be match the following. Okay, we want only this final answer. How many forward paths are there in the given diagram and how many individual loops are there in the given diagram. Only this will be there for the online exam. Okay, whichever question given, you have to find these 2 points. Other mass and gain formula calculation is not required. I am going with problem number 3, third question. Third question, find the number of forward paths, comma, number of individual loops. This is our new question, forward paths, number of individual loops. Now, without drawing the diagram, okay, coming to the solution, without drawing the diagram, step 1, I am going to find number of forward paths. How many? Number of forward paths, how many? Okay. So I will write P1, P2 like that. So I will just make the product of gains. You know how to draw the diagram. So I will travel from R. Okay. If nothing is there on the arrow mark means the branch gain is 1. At the ending also arrow mark is there. This branch gain also 1. If nothing is given, branch gain is 1. Okay. So 1 into 1 into G1, G2, G3, 1. This last one. Okay. I am reaching C. I started from R. I am reaching C. This is one forward path. R is the input. R is the input. And then C is the output. C is the output. Okay. Now, second forward path, anything possible, you can say instead of G2, G3, I can take another route minus G1 is there. So 1 into G1. After G1, I will take minus G1 as the path. After that, 1 as the path. Okay. So now in the first forward path, gains are G1, G2, G3. Second forward path, minus G1 square. Minus G1 square. Okay. These are the two forward paths possible. I cannot rotate. I cannot repeat any node. I cannot repeat any branch. Okay, that is the condition for finding forward paths or individual loops. I should not repeat any node. I should not repeat any branch. That is the condition. So for forward paths, I must start from the input. Ending should be at the output. Straight forward direction I have to travel. At any node, I cannot repeat. Any branch, I cannot repeat. Come back and go again. So those things are not allowed. Okay. So only two forward paths I am getting in the given question. Two forward paths I am getting in the given question. Now step 2, individual loops. Number of individual loops. Individual loops. I am not drawing the diagram. Instead, I will write L1, L2, L3 like that. Okay. So whichever I am able to identify, just I will write it. Okay. You see here, if I go with G2, G3 minus H2. G2, G3 minus H2, that is a closed path. G2, G3 minus H2, that is a closed path, one individual loop. Next one, I can also take minus G1 and minus H2, that is also another closed path. Minus G1 minus H2, that is also second closed path. Okay. Now, next one, next to closed path, what I will do? G1, G2 minus H1 I am taking. G1, G2, you can see the diagram, G1, G2, okay, then minus H1, that is also one more closed path. Next, any further closed paths are there? L4 I am trying, L4 I am trying. You can see 1 into G1, G2, G3, then minus 1. 1 into G1, G2, G3, then downward direction minus 1. Downward direction minus 1. That is also a closed path. Okay, any more loops are present? Shall I close here? Are you able to follow? Any more loops are present? Shall I close here? Only 4 loops in this given diagram. Is it okay? Only 4 loops in the given diagram. Is it okay? No response.
Okay.
Only 4 individual loops. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I can try for one more thing like this. 1 into G1. After G1, I can go with minus G1. After that, minus 1 in the downward direction. So this is another closed path, L5, L5. So after 1, G1. After 1, G1. Then upward direction minus G1. Then downward direction minus 1. This is also one closed path. This is also one closed path. I am starting from a node, traveling some distance, again coming back to the same path. Okay. So like that, 5 individual loops are present. 5 individual loops are present in this given question. Okay, 5 individual loops in this given question. This is about the online exam, possibility of questions in the online exam. One more I will just try. One more I will just try. How many forward paths, how many individual loops are there in this question, in this given diagram? This is problem 4. Find number of forward paths, number of individual loops, number of individual loops in the given question. Okay, so this is from GATE 2013 triple paper. GATE 2013 triple paper, this question is given. You can just check How many forward paths are there? Solution. Step 1, I am going to find number of forward paths. Number of forward paths. Okay, step 1, number of forward paths. Just I will write P1, P2 like that. I will just write the gains. I will not draw the diagram. I am just writing the gains. 1 into s power minus 1. Gain can be anything, whatever they are giving. Okay, numerical value, s power minus 1 or g1, g2, h1, h2, anything. Minus g1, minus 1. Okay, anything can be the gain on the branch. So s power minus 1 is the gain given over in this diagram. S power minus 1 and 1. Okay, s power minus 1, s power minus 1, 1. This is one forward path. U of s is the input and y of s is the final output. I should start from input, end at the output. Okay, this is about first forward path. Now coming to second forward path, I can go like this, 1 into s power minus 1. Then I am going in the upward direction. Going in the upward direction. Okay, I am taking another route here, again 1. This is second forward path. Okay, so any more forward paths present? I don't find any more paths. So I am closing it, number 2. Okay, number of forward paths are 2. Now coming to individual loops. In step 2, I am finding number of individual loops. Number of individual loops, closed paths. Okay, so I will write L1, L2 like that. So L1, what I will do, s power minus 1 into minus 4. This is a closed path, minus 4 into s power minus 1. Gain is minus 4 into s power minus 1. You can see s power minus 1, downward minus 4 is there, one closed path. Another closed path, what I will do, 1 into minus 4, upward direction 1, I am traveling in the upward direction 1 from here. From here, I am traveling upward direction 1, then downward direction minus 4, it also becomes a closed path. So minus 4 is the gain of the closed path L2. Loop gain is minus 4. Now I am going to another closed path. I will start from here. Okay. S power minus 1. One more time s power minus 1. Okay. Then downward I have minus 2. So this is another closed path. And on simplification, it is 2 into s power minus 2. Minus 2 into s power minus 2. This is the product of gains in the third loop. Product of gains in the third loop. Okay. L3, closed path completed. So L4, one more loop is possible. One more loop is possible. Instead of second s power minus 1, I will go in upward direction. So s power minus 1, and then I am going in upward direction. Then bottom, downward direction, minus 2. So minus 2 into s power minus 1. This is the fourth individual loop. In this given question, I find only 4 individual loops. I don't find any more individual loops. Okay, I don't find any more individual loops. Only 4 individual loops I am having. So I am closing it. 4 individual loops are present. Okay. This is GATE 2013 paper. They have asked for transfer function, I think, but we have taken up only number of forward paths and individual loops.